Hello friends, welcome to Charya's Kitchen. Today in this video I am going to show you how to take care, how to preserve the cilantro coriander leaves for a long time. Here I have taken the one bunch of cilantro which I have bought today. I haven't washed it as because it comes pre-washed, but I am going to wash it before I use it. But while preserving, I'll make sure that there is no moisture in it. So for this what we need is two set of two kitchen towels. Here I have taken two kitchen towels and one ziploc. You can take even the smaller ziploc if you wish. So, and I have taken one knife. What I am going to do here is I am just going to see wherever my leaves actually start. Here at the bottom I'm going to take off any spoiled root if I have, or even spoiled leaf if I have. It might even spoil the whole bunch of it. I'm going to slightly slit. This is where all the leaves start and this is where the more leaves are. I am still going to clean this later. Now I'm just pushing it aside. So once you slit this, if you see anything spoiled, just throw it away, or you can use it, like wash it and use it. But in this bunch, when I'm saving, I don't want any spoiled ones. So I'm just going to take a tissue paper here, the kitchen towel, and I'm just going to slightly tightly roll this so that there is no much space. And I'm going to leave the top and the bottom open, and I'm going to put this in the ziploc. Remove all the excess air and I'm going to just keep it in the ziploc. I'm going to preserve this in the cooler section, where in the refrigerator where it is a darker, smaller spot. So by doing this it will stay fresh for 3 to 4 weeks. This is the bunch which I have saved earlier. So this is pretty much 4 weeks old cilantro. I haven't changed anything in this. I've just been using from this bunch. So if you see, there is like little bit of water moisture here. This is not what I have sprayed. It is the natural water which actually provided by the cooler, I believe. So here if you see, there are 1 or 2 spoiled leaves I can find. Whenever I open it, I'm just going to take these 1 or 2 leaves away so that it doesn't spoil whole of the bunch. And then I am going to just check and roll it tight again, and I am going to put it back in the ziploc. So with the remaining, which I had already kind of chopped and kept, I am going to use these set of these leaves. I'm just going to remove all these leaves and I'm going to store it or use it within a day or two, so that because it is in small pieces, bits and pieces, and this will come to use too. And if you want, if the tender, if the stems are tender, you can even use it to the chutneys and finish it off. I hope you like the video. Please do subscribe to Charya's Kitchen for more videos, tips and tricks. Thank you.